Is it recording still? Wow, I was looking very stupid just now. All
right, so today we are gonna be trying to flash the ECU and see, or it's called a DME. I keep forgetting that shit. So today we're gonna try to reflash the ECU and see if we can get it, you know, into 4th gear and, you know, clearing all the BS codes that comes up. BMW likes to make shit complicated, so let's see if we can make it uncomplicated. And Kev gonna show us how to dance. Yeah, this shit's pretty dope though.
Oh,
so in order to,
he's backing out some heat. He's backing out some heat, y'all. What's on there?
Right.
Wait, I don't know if his porno's still loaded, so I can't show y'all.
Yeah. All right, we valid. Hey, look at that.
Now niggas are
don't do that. Don't do that now. But that wallpaper has been stuck to that account since what, freshman year, bro. Even before that, freshman year.
I like it.
So don't do that. Do not do that.
Oh my gosh, she is beautiful.
You never seen it before?
Bro, my neighbors don't come outside, so when they come outside, you're like, wow, y'all are beautiful. I sound like a whore. I'm sorry. It is what it is.
Hey, fuck it. In order to do this, it's funny, you need a Windows computer, but I got the OS for it. So I can use my MacBook, which is dope.
He really do has all the supplies. He can provide you anything.
And lube.
Fellas, I'm sorry for that. I don't know what's wrong with him.
What? It's lube. For the car, engine oil, you know? We're working on car stuff. This is a car channel, no?
Yeah. Yeah.
Boom. We need that, and I believe that's it. Oh, lube. Nah. Right,
that was really lube. I'll say you're a sicko. Nah, bro. The stance, though?
This shit look crazy, bro. Fitment's still bad.
Badass fitment.
I gotta test out to see if the damn program even works. Like, connects to the car type shit.
So you've never done it?
Yeah, because I was away from it.
Bro, you know where I live.
Yeah. I just didn't feel like coming over here, bro. I'll be honest.
Niggas.
Yeah. Oh, this shit is really hot. This shit was just charging. Alright, I'm taking
Nah, he was beating off. Don't let him lie to you.
That's crazy. Don't blow my spot up like that, bro. This thing's pretty dope, though. Yeah. Alright, bet. Let's go. So, since we have E46, go. Wait. How do I fucking do this? I'm lost now.
Ladies, he bought something, he don't know what the fuck he's doing.
Honestly. Wait, language variance, malfunction possible. I ain't gonna lie, I forgot what the man said in the video. And honestly, at this point, I'm just like, fuck it.
This nigga over here about to do something, I don't know what the hell he's doing.
Yeah, bro.
Now, we got the car to move. Now, he's about to do some shit, we won't even have a car. For the channel.
Man, bro. Alright, we're gonna have to cut the camera off.
3 weeks later.
Just for a following update. As you can see from the previous clip, we weren't able to actually get the other car full on running. I thought that we would be able to, you know, restart the ECU, but that didn't end up doing what we expected it for it to do. I was trying to utilize INPA and that didn't work. So basically I just went out and just bought another car.
Money! He got money!
The only reason why I did that was just to make sure I can be able to get around here and there because it was getting annoying not having a car to get around with. Now, the Beamer, it runs and everything, as you can see, but it's just that 4th gear lockout. Not even a lockout, it just pushes me down from 4th gear to 3rd gear. We're for sure gonna do a manual swap on it. Now, there's also a possibility I might keep the transmission automatic. There's a possibility about that, but I'll let that be for like another video, depending on what kind of happens. But yeah, so today I have a new car. I'm about to actually head over to Best Buy and get some speakers for it, and then you'll be able to check out the car.
Get the fuck out of here, man.
So we got my boy Alex over here. What it do? So we're gonna install the speakers on the car. We have these 2 speakers here. Not 2 speakers, 4 speakers, right? We're gonna do like a nice little artsy shot right quick. Just like a little. So what? Trying to jinx it?
You're already trying to jinx it, bro.
How? How I do that?
You know I can't say them words again.
What? Because I said it's gonna be easy.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be easy though. So we'll be alright.
If this shit fucks up, it's because of him. Mark my word.
Tough.
We better hope we have access to all the screws. No frayed wire. We have nothing to strip the wire.
No, we do. Well, first off, one thing you could do.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna end up taking this whole thing off. But
yeah.
Taking the trim off is
annoying. 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes later, what happened? It was easy, right? 2 minutes la Yeah, I did that. No, we did that. We did that. Let me say that.
And we ain't even done yet. Niggas already celebrating, bro.
I'm trying to think though. Do you think we have to actually like splice and everything?
That's what I was looking to see. It looks like it based on the back of the speaker. There's probably one in one in the other, and then extend them out that way. That's probably what this is here for.
Okay. All right. Cool. So I guess we can go ahead and do that.
All right. So we got
Mr. Master Electrician over here.
Master Electrician is crazy. Not yet.
I'm hyped for this. It's definitely gonna be an improvement. The thing about it is, the reason why I thought about this, I was like, you know what? Like without a sub, I was like, I think it might do good.
Do you want to try it?
Oh, test it out right now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I want to wait for this one first. I bet. So he got it all back put together. It sounds pretty good. I'm not gonna say it sounds like the craziest right now because it's still on stock radio, stock amp, and all that. But now onto the front. I ain't gonna lie, bro. That door panel is gonna be crazy. I feel like it might fall apart.
Hey, man, I'm over here opening frames.
Yo, for real.
I know we will have to, but
Yeah.
I'm hoping we could just pop this little. It looks like a little cover. Okay.
It's literally just that.
Yeah, we'll see.
If it's just that. Yo, that's all we have to do then.
Then you're golden.
Yeah. Say less. See, Honda's easy to work on. Whoa, shit.
Hondas are easy to work on. It's okay. You didn't say anything about.
All right, clear.
Has to be done.
So how's that shit over there? It's pretty good.
You coming up, got it off.
Good.
All right,
Cool. Let me take this one off.
You got hungry? Were you snacking on the speaker? What happened?
Dude, this shit is crazy.
I ain't never seen nothing like that in my life.
Bro, I could literally just rip this whole thing out, just like. Well, I guess this one not get.
You got a replacement, bro.
Oh, good looks, bro.
That's why we don't say those words.
Yep. Crumpled ass door. Alright, definitely gotta pull this all off. Oh, I hate this. You know what's crazy? So on the old Civic I used to have, I needed to replace something. No, I actually wanted to check because I think it was a blown speaker. So I wanted to check that speaker, and I took the door card off, and then I ended up breaking this. Alright, so we got both of them in the front. These things are, down packed good. Shout out to Alex.
Got you.
Master Electrician over there. You know what I'm saying? At least in my eyes, the way I see him. Pause. Alright, so here we are. We on the way to get a radio. Got Alex whipping it. Look at him. So we're just doing that right now. It's a pretty fucking smooth ride. I don't know.
It really is.
I didn't even talk to them about the car that much. I forgot. Everything was pretty good with it. The only the only thing with it was what? It was messed up tie rod. This is what the guy had told me initially, was there was no tie rods in the front. I think it was the outer tie rods he had said. I ended up finding out later when I took it to the mechanic that the rack and pinion was actually broken. So I had to replace that. Also the AC wasn't working.
Still isn't working.
Yeah, still isn't working. Replaced half of it, so only the condenser was replaced. And I also have to replace the compressor, because that's what makes it not able to work. And I'll show the front end stuff later. I hope so.
Where did he go to pull over?
Right?
Damn, that's
tough. That's probably a rolling stop. Imagine if I'm just like this the whole time, and then like he pulls us over.
I'd be like, wow.
Damn. Keep your head up. Alright, so Kev, you see I got a new car.
Shut the fuck out of here, man. You ain't gonna do shit to it. This is sitting in my driveway.
Mm-hmm.
You ain't doing shit to this either. Get this piece of shit out of here, okay?
That's how you feel about it?
I want this to be up and driving. You wanna go buy a car that's gonna last you another 10 miles.
That's super tough. It actually lasted me 100 miles since I got it. 144 miles, actually.
Shit's still a piece of shit.
So, just as a little walk around in the car, there's some obvious imperfections here. As you can see with this whole bumper. These taillights are pretty cool. It's just the regular OEM amber ones. I have little cracks in them, here and there. Obviously, clear coat peel that's happening right here. When you go over here, it's actually way better. The only thing over here is some rust, bit of surface rust it looks like. I don't think it rusted through or anything. It still has the steelies under it with the hubcaps. There are some scratches. I'm not sure if you can see it. The camera's picking it up, but there's some scratches on top of it. Yep, so going over here to the front end, you can see, there's obviously that was an accident. I didn't really, think it would be too much of a problem. This is pretty much kind of why I bought it. Obviously, we need to replace the hood. The radiator support is like full on done. I mean, I'm not gonna say done, you know, it's still holding up, but it's pretty bent bad. Initially, I did think this was a part of the frame, but it wasn't. So I was like, you know what, let me just take it on type of thing. The frame looked like it's pretty good. I didn't really see any like, you know, crazy dents, you know, when it came to, you know, looking at the frame of it. But what do I know? I'm not that much of a mechanic. I'm definitely gonna be swapping out these taillights. The seller actually gave me another one in taillights, which is for this side, but this one was the obviously damaged side, so this is the one that was already in when I had got it. This looks kind of crazy. I don't know where this goes to, but whatever. But yeah, definitely the bumper's gonna have to go. I'll most likely get a whole new bumper along with the radiator support, hood. But yeah, pretty much that's it. The car runs pretty solid. There was a little bit of oil that leaks from here. The guy said it was basically from the valve cover gasket seal. He said that he replaced the gasket, but he didn't seal it properly, so that's why, you know, for that. I'm actually gonna be, you know, replacing that. So far, the only thing I did replace was the cat. The condenser got replaced, but I also need the compressor to be replaced in order for the AC to work. Power steering works pretty fine. I think there's a leak somewhere because I've had to actually top that off. But yeah, that's pretty much it when it comes to over here under the hood. Hood is pretty good. I do need to change out these things because there is a little bit of slack in them, especially when I'm up top here. Like sometimes it like tends to fall down whenever I open it up too quick, as you can see. Sometimes it falls all the way down, which is like very annoying. But here we are with this. I don't know what this thing is called. I guess the trunk cover. It basically came with this, which I'm like very happy about. I don't know if I should be super happy about it, but it came with it. Have a little bit of a hood prop here. And literally the guy that owned this definitely made this like custom fit to here because it literally fits so well flush. It's kind of funny. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Here's the trunk. I mean, obviously some of my stuff in here. We'll go ahead and move on to the inside. So coming on the inside of the car, this is right here is like kind of like was a big deal to me. I believe this was something that, you know, the car came like this. I don't think that this was too much of a big deal that much, only because it could easily be replaced. It doesn't, you know, mess with any of the functionality of it. I will say, if anything, just locking it while it's open is a bit of a hassle. Got the manual roll-up windows. Actually, just finished installing this. This is like, you know, kind of a continuation of yesterday. It sounds pretty good. I do need to get, you know, I guess a column cover, I believe this is called. The only thing I have is the top part, and I just left it there. Need the bottom piece for it. But that's pretty much it for today. If you liked the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And, you know, stay tuned for more. Be out.